Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix Marathon game not launching or won't launch issue, crashing or crashes at startup, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen issue, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PS5 consoles. So here follow the fixes. The first fix is to simply restart your PS5. So just press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and then press the power button again. It will remove the remaining power and will clear our system cache. Now plug in all the wires, turn on your PS5 and then launch the game and check. Fix 2. Log out and log in. So simply log out from your PlayStation Network account, go to settings, users and account, other, sign out. Wait for a few minutes and then log in back. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 3. Switch internet connection. First of all, use Ethernet cable to access internet on PS5 and then check. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, then connect to mobile data via hotspot. If possible, then you can also try to connect to different Wi-Fi network or mobile data via hotspot and then check. Or you can simply restart your modem or Wi-Fi router and then check. Fix 4. Switch Wi-Fi frequency. Go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection. Press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then launch the game and check which one works for you. Fix 5 is to rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall socket. Now press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound. Now your console will boot into the safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press the PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database and then OK. Now launch the Marathon game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 6 is to restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to other and go to restore license. Select Marathon game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm. After this, check problem solved or not. Fix 7 is to disable enable HDCP. So go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI tab. Turn off enable HDCP and then check. If that doesn't help, then repeat the process and this time turn on enable HDCP and then check. Fix 8 is to delete the game data and cache. But please take a note, you must backup the save data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to settings, save data and game/app settings. Select save data PS5 and navigate to console storage delete. Select Marathon game, then select delete OK. Now restart your console. Don't forget to restart your console and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to change DNS settings manually. So go to PlayStation settings, network, settings, set up internet connections. On your internet, press start, advanced settings, DNS settings. Now change DNS settings from automatic to manual and in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then hit OK. Now go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then hit OK and then again relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, the last solution is to reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. So simply uninstall the game from your PS5 and then reinstall it and then check. Or if you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Marathon game to SSD and then try to launch the game and check if that helps or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Marathon game not launching or won't launch issue, crashing or crashes at startup, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.